Edit announcement bar color in Shopify Horizon Theme. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to edit the announcement bar color in the Shopify Horizon Theme. First of all, open your Shopify dashboard. From the left menu, navigate to Online Store and click on it. Next, on the right side, you will find the Edit Theme button. Click on it, and the theme editor will open on your screen. Once you're inside, go to the top left side, and in the header section, select Announcement Bar. You will see the announcement bar highlighted at the very top of your preview. On the right side, open the Color Scheme menu. Here, you can choose from the color schemes that are already created, and each option will instantly apply a different combination of colors to your announcement bar. But if you want to create your own custom color scheme, scroll to the bottom of the list and click on Theme Settings. You can also open Theme Settings by clicking the gear icon from the left vertical menu. Inside Theme Settings, find and open Colors. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing color schemes. To create a new one, click on the Add Scheme icon. This will allow you to customize the background color, and you'll see the live preview update automatically as you make changes. You can also choose a gradient background that matches your theme style. Next, choose your text color. I'm selecting white because it fits with the design I'm using, but you can choose any color you prefer. Below that, you can also customize the button styling. You can set a solid button background, change the button label color, and adjust the button outline and shadow colors as well. Black usually works well for both, but choose what fits your design. Once you're done customizing your scheme, go back to the color scheme list, and you'll see the new scheme added there. Now return to the Sections page and select Announcement Bar again. On the right side, open the Color Scheme menu and choose the new scheme you just created. And there you go! The announcement bar color including background and text has been changed. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.